Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Ubuntu 24.10. Then we will install the VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, either is fine. Click on download, then select Linux distributions. See here we have the Ubuntu 24.10, so click on it. See, download started and its size is 1 or 2 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the VirtualBox 7.16 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give the VirtualBox. Give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is failed because we have to install this prerequisite. So install this one, copy it, sudo apt install, paste it, hit enter. So before installing we have to run this apt -- fix broken install. Hit enter, type and hit enter. It is done. Now install this one. So it is already installed. Okay. So now install VirtualBox. Hit enter. See, this time we are not getting any errors. See, installation is success. Now go to show applications. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. See, we got the Oracle VirtualBox. Let me maximize it. See, you got the VirtualBox. Click on help about VirtualBox. See here we have installed 7.1.6. Let me close. Now download the VirtualBox extension pack. Go back. Then see here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. So read the terms and license agreement and click on accept and download. See, download started. Click on it. It will open VirtualBox. Click on install. See, we are unable to click on I agree, so scroll down for entire license agreement and click on I agree. Now provide the password of sudo user and hit enter. See, it is installing. Installation is success. Now if you want to create new virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Either is fine. See, now we can provide all these details and we can create the virtual machines. Okay, so go to terminal again, ls. So we have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Ubuntu 24.10. So remove this file which is not required. rm VirtualBox. Use the tab, hit enter. ls. Also remove this Oracle VirtualBox. rm give Oracle, give the tab, hit enter. ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Ubuntu 24.10. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.